Welcome to Review Rumble. The best sliding door panels is probably one of the most versatile and stylish additions you can make to your home, offering a seamless blend of indoor and outdoor living while providing excellent light control and privacy. These panels are not just functional, they're a design statement, capable of transforming any room with their elegant appearance and practical benefits. Whether you're looking to divide a large space, enhance your natural light, or simply update your home's aesthetic, the right sliding door panels can make a significant impact, proving to be a worthwhile investment for homeowners seeking both beauty and utility in their living spaces. Number 5. NICETOWN Gray Blackout Patio Door Curtains. Experience the luxurious feel of our super soft, heavy triple weave polyester fabric. The elegant design, with a modern silver grommet top, ensures easy and stylish hanging. These extra wide panels perfectly cover your sliding doors, blocking out most light and UV rays. Enjoy enhanced privacy and a quieter space with their noise-reducing qualities. Our triple weave blackout fabric helps regulate your home's temperature, saving on energy costs year-round. Protect your furnishings from sun damage while enjoying a more comfortable environment. Ready to hang right out of the package, these curtains are ideal for sliding doors, patio doors, and large windows. They can be used alone or paired with sheer curtains for a layered look. Crafted for longevity, these curtains are machine washable for simple care. Enjoy years of use with minimal effort, keeping them looking their best. What we like. If you're looking for a versatile curtain that offers excellent light blocking and thermal insulation, this is a great choice. Its heavy-duty fabric ensures privacy and reduces noise, making it ideal for busy households or those seeking a quieter environment. Consider this if you want to improve your room's energy efficiency and comfort. What people say. The panels are easy to install and adjust. They provide good light blocking and privacy. The sliding mechanism is smooth and quiet. Number 4. H.VERSAILTEX Patio White Curtains. Introducing our extra-wide blackout curtains, designed to enhance any room. These panels offer a perfect blend of style and functionality for your living space. Each panel measures an impressive 100 inches wide by 84 inches long, providing ample coverage for large windows and doors. The sturdy grommets ensure easy installation on any curtain rod. Enjoy complete privacy and darkness with these curtains. They effectively block out sunlight and harmful UV rays, creating a comfortable and safe environment in your home. Crafted from soft yet durable microfiber, these curtains offer excellent thermal insulation, noise reduction, and energy efficiency. They are a versatile solution for room division and privacy. Ideal for patio doors, French doors, or any large opening, these curtains offer a smart and cost-effective way to update your home. They are suitable for bedrooms, apartments, and workspaces alike. Keeping these curtains looking their best is simple. They are machine washable in cold water and can be tumble-dried on low heat for easy care. What we like. For those prioritizing eco-friendly and safe materials, this option stands out. It's certified by Global Recycled Standard and is vinyl and PVC-free, ensuring a healthier living space. If you're looking for a breathable and airy room divider that's also highly functional for privacy and light blocking, this is a smart and cost-effective solution. What people say. The panels are easy to install and adjust. They provide good light blocking and privacy. The sliding mechanism is smooth and quiet. Number 3. PetSafe Sliding Glass Pet Door, Medium. Install this pet door easily into your existing sliding door track. No drilling or permanent modifications are needed for a simple DIY setup. Designed for medium dogs and cats, it accommodates pets up to 40 pounds. The flap opening is sized just right for their comfort. This patio panel is designed to fit your sliding glass door track. It extends just a bit from the frame when the closing panel is in place. Enjoy convenient and safe pet access year-round. It features a magnetic flap, shatter-resistant glass, and a lock kit for security and energy efficiency. Built with a sturdy aluminum frame, it's made to last. This pet door can withstand daily use and various weather conditions. With over 25 years of experience, we offer vet and trainer-recommended products. We are dedicated to creating joy for pets and strengthening the bond they share with families. What we like. If you have pets and want to give them easy access without permanent modifications to your home, this is the perfect solution. Its no-cut DIY installation makes it incredibly convenient. Consider this if you're looking for a secure, energy-efficient, and durable way to allow your medium-sized pets to come and go freely. What people say. The panels are easy to install and adjust. The sliding mechanism is smooth and quiet. The panels provide excellent light filtering and privacy. Number 2. H.VERSAILTEX Linen Blackout Curtain. Introducing our premium blackout curtains, designed to block out 100% of sunlight and UV rays. Enjoy a darker room and protect your furniture from fading. Crafted from a durable, linen-like fabric, these curtains offer a sophisticated look while providing exceptional light-blocking capabilities. They are designed to fit standard curtain rods with ease. These curtains not only create a serene environment by reducing light and noise but also help save energy. They are made with innovative, eco-friendly materials. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or patio doors, these curtains add a touch of elegance to any space. Their versatile design complements various decor styles. Enjoy hassle-free maintenance with these machine-washable curtains. They are built to last, maintaining their look and function over time. Unlike many others, our curtains feature a pure white flocking backing for superior blackout performance. This ensures a truly dark and private atmosphere. What we like. If you desire complete darkness for your bedroom or media room, this curtain is an excellent choice. Its 100% blackout capability, combined with a luxurious faux linen texture and a pure white lining, offers both superior function and aesthetic appeal. Choose this if you want to ensure total privacy, protect your furniture from fading, and add a touch of elegance to your space. What people say. The panels are easy to install and adjust. They provide excellent light control and privacy. The material is durable and looks great. Number 1. NICETOWN 20 Barn Door with Sliding Hardware Kit. Introducing a beautiful barn door crafted from 100% natural spruce, harvested from sustainably managed forests. Its unfinished surface is ready for your personal touch, allowing you to stain or paint it to match your unique style. Experience the genuine beauty of Canadian spruce, known for its rustic appeal and durability. This door is designed to bring lasting elegance and functionality to your home for years to come. Perfect for any room, this barn door enhances your space with light and beauty. Use it in a study, dining area, or as an elegant transition between rooms, unifying your home's aesthetic. Assembly is a breeze with pre-cut, pre-drilled panels, and included hardware. You can even customize the look by arranging each plank to create a truly one-of-a-kind door. This package includes everything you need, including the sliding door hardware kit. All necessary screws and pre-drilled holes ensure a straightforward and satisfying assembly process. What we like. If you're a DIY enthusiast looking to customize your space with a rustic touch, this barn door is ideal. Its natural spruce construction and unfinished surface are ready for your personal stain or paint. Consider this if you're looking for an elegant transition between rooms and want a durable, beautiful door that you can make uniquely yours. What people say. The sliding door panels are easy to install and operate smoothly. The panels provide excellent light control and privacy. The design is modern and complements various decor styles. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.